What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be installing the Ford brake light on the GT350. Today, as you guys can see, getting the car set up. So you can either jack this car up on like jack stands to get underneath here for the GT350, because it has this panel underneath here for the coolers. For the GTs, it doesn't have this panel, so it makes it much easier. But for the GT350, you gotta take this panel off. Got all the packaging for Diode Dynamics Ford brake light. Comes with wiring, comes with the LED bulb, so comes with everything right here. So right now we're jacking the car up, so make sure it's support and we can get underneath there with no problem. For the GT350, to install the Ford brake light, there's actually a cover down here compared to the GTs, because they have oil cooler back here that has one nut here. There's another nut here to take this panel off, and then they got all these little clips right here in the back, like 2, 4, 6, 8 clips back here. And there's going to be 2 nuts up here. There's a bolt right there, and the second bolt is right there. So you guys can see, got to take this cover off to be able to get to the Ford brake light, which on the GTs is much easier. But as you guys can see, I don't know, you guys might be able to see, but there's an oil cooler right here. And then what we got to take off is these 4 knobs right here to take this plastic piece out. And we're going to take this out. You just lift up and pull this whole thing out, and it comes right out. 210, so 210 millimeters up there. I know a lot of you guys are gonna say you guys don't like the Ford brake light. Some people do like it, some people don't like it, but we have a plan where you guys are going to like it. Do you like it? You like the Ford?
Yeah.
I don't like it just red. It looks all right. I don't know, it's a hit or miss for me. But you say you like it?
It'll be fine.
It'll be fine. All right. So you plugged out the one that's plugged into the tail light, because we already have the sequencers already.
Okay.
Just like that. Into the tail light. You guys can see the male to the female of the new harness, and then it goes back to the tail light. So we decided to use this hole. You could have push a hole into this and use this side, but we decided to use the hole that's already open. So this is how the stock halogen looks. It doesn't look that bright at all. Kind of has like a dull brown to it, tannish looking color to it. So this is a comparison to the stock halogen to the new LED one. He's unplugging the harness from the LED bulb. What you do is stick it in the middle hole like that. As you stick it in, the green thing for the harness comes out. That's like a cover.
Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise to take the bulb out. And as you guys can see, the bulb is just a halogen bulb, and we have the LED bulb.
Plug this up. Let's see what happens. All plugged up.
And then I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. So pull up, keep pulling. Keep going. Keep going. That's good. A little bit more. Keep going. I'm pulling. Tell me when to stop. Yeah, so you don't see it through the mesh. Bend the grommet back and pull the whole thing up and expose it, and then poke like a little hole in it, and then reuse this little grommet right here instead of using this one. But you can use either or if you decide to. Oh, as soon as you open up the door, it came on. Because the lights are on?
Yes.
That's how it looks. As soon as the door opened up, it came on.
Okay, I'm putting reverse and see what.
And yep, as soon as you unlock the door, the whole thing flashed. Yeah, that's
In reverse?
yeah, it's in reverse. That's a bright, clean LED right there. Jeez, that is really bright. Definitely gives it a clean, bright look. And that's how it looks with the whole spoiler and the trunk down. But it looks nice. That's a bright light. That looks really nice. I like how it looks. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. Yeah, we're gonna step on the brake so you guys can see how it looks with the sequencer taillights. So out of reverse, and he's gonna step on it. So you still got the sequencers going, and the fourth brake light is solid. Still looks good. It really looks really nice. Looks really dope. It looks clean. It looks good on the red, honestly. And then of course when you turn on the headlights or the park lights, they still stay on. Yeah, so if you decide to turn on the park lights, it stays on. He's gonna test it and show you guys. So the park lights are on, and he's gonna step down on the brake. Yeah, it gets brighter. Yep, it gets really bright. So it's like a fade, and then it gets really dark. So that still looks good. But the sequencers are definitely my favorite. Every time you step on that brake, it gives it a nice, aggressive light show. Yeah, it looks good with the red. Some people were saying, which I was saying the same thing, I didn't really like the look of how the fourth brake light, but it really flows the color of the car. So it looks nice. Yeah, definitely looks nice. That's it for the install. Just have to, of course, retrace your steps of putting the piece back here for the oil cooler and the pieces for the trunk. Well, that's it.
Like that.
And then it just raises up. What's going on, guys? So right now I'm finishing up editing the video, and I know you guys saw the last clip. I'm just gonna leave it as that. I'm not gonna say no more, but coming soon. Definitely, guys, if you guys want to see more videos on or mods on the 8th gen Honda Civic SI and the Ford Shelby GT350, because there's more mods on the way, definitely subscribe to the channel. And if you guys like this video, definitely smash the like button. And to be notified on every single video that's being uploaded, hit the notification bell, because I know you guys don't want to miss the upcoming videos that are about to be coming for both cars. So definitely subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out on the dope videos that are coming. So for the fourth brake light, I was looking at pictures for the Diode Dynamics for the brake light, and in the pictures it didn't look as bright as compared to seeing it in person. In person, it definitely looks really good. It looks really nice, and it has like a deep red to it, so it looks really good. In pictures it kind of looks like a light red, but in person is really a nice solid deep red. And as you guys can see, it definitely complements the color of the red GT350 that we do have. So highly recommend you guys, if you guys like the fourth brake light, definitely get it. I definitely likes it. It definitely looks good on that car especially. So Dynamics definitely did an awesome job. So definitely, if you guys want to cop the Ford brake light, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. But definitely, it really looks nice. It definitely stands out for sure. But that's it for this video, guys. If there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step forward every single day and make it happen. Peace.